Hey, hi everyone. I hope every one of you are able to hear me properly. Please tell me in the chat. यार ये रोज ये टाइम पे कौन कॉल करता है पता नहीं यार. I don't know who is calling me this thing, but I don't care. I'm not picking the call, and I am all focused on this particular class that we are going through.
From Secular iPhone 13 Pro.
I hope every one of you are able to hear. Okay, sorted. Turning off my Alexa. Okay, clear. Okay, hi everyone. How are you all? I hope then what happened? Manjeet, क्या हो रहा है मंजीत? Okay, so पता नहीं मंजीत के साथ क्या हो रहा है. Fine, we will see that entire part. But every one of you, today is our day 4. Yesterday we have left on a very serious note. The note was like, we guys are like not able to do certain things here. Don't care, I'm not picking the call. Oh, shit. Yesterday we were like thinking about certain things like, what about data analysis at the very first place? Data analysis hai kya? So I have made certain notes before coming to you guys today. Okay, these notes are like about talking about what is data analysis on the very first place, because yesterday I found so many of you guys are like literally clueless ki yaar what's happening on the screen, what are we even doing, is it worth it, ये कुछ कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. So these all kind of like questions were there, but today we are here like all about, let's just go ahead, understand data analysis from the very core. ये core में करना क्या पता है? We will take raw data. We will take real raw data, real, very real, realistic raw data. We will download it and we will understand how to do analysis on top of it. Okay, how to do analysis on top of it. Fine, ठीक है, clear? Every one of you sorted? So please tell me in the chat. We will download data, real data of LetsUpgrade. We can download the essentials enrollment if you guys want, but that is kind of like little bit sensitive. So maybe we will use the data of our website analytics. We have got a full big web app which is live right now that you all guys are using, that is letsupgrade.in, and we will go ahead, download the data, first get that data into Google Sheet. Once that data is in the Google Sheet, then we will ask certain, we will first understand that data, and then we will ask few business questions. Okay, these business questions will be like, based on the data we will ask few business questions, and then we will answer those business questions using pandas as a library. I think then you will understand the detail about like, acha, what is data analysis and how we can do data analysis on this core level. Understood? Done? Makes sense? So please tell me in the chat if this approach is something if this approach is something that you all guys like. So tell me in the chat right now if you guys like this approach what I'm talking. If not, then we will change the entire story. Okay, so I hope this thing is all good. Tell me in the chat yes or a no, something, so that I know कि हाँ भाई ये हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, क्या है. Taking the class from college, amazing. ये flex कर रहा है भैया. Deepak, thank you for taking the class from your college. But let's just tell me, hello sir, I am Jafar, I was participating SOE. Okay, fine, ठीक है. I can see certain go aheads in the chat, so keeping those go aheads as the baseline, let me share my screen. Even before that I will get, okay, so can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Yes or no? No यार, even I can't see my screen. How you guys will be able to see? अभी screen दिख रहा होगा, है ना? Okay, so the very first thing, I'll refresh this. It will be connected ASAP. Connecting. Yesterday we did all these kinds of data thing, but today we will be very much focused on a real-time data. I'll do analytics, Google Analytics. Okay, this is analytics.google.com. Fine. I'll just okay, this is our data. Right now 173 people are live on our page, so I will go here, and in this part I will select a range, a date range of last 90 days, and then say apply. Okay, last 90 days, how many people have visited our website? So these many people have, these many views are there, these many users are there, these many views per user are there. So this is the entire, this is one set of the web app. Okay, we have got lots of web apps, we have got a community, we have got a job board, we have got landing pages, we have got our main pages. Considering all of this, this is the basic thing that you see, that is our promotional pages. Okay, so this is the data. Let me do the sharing and download the file, and I'm downloading the CSV. Clear? Done. So I have downloaded the CSV. Out of all of this, I'm just turning it off. Done. Clear? I hope this thing is clear. Now we will just go, we will find the data. Okay, so it is saying that G4A data. So these are the oh, इसमें एक छोटा सा problem है. We have forgot to get a particular analytics. We will get that particular analytics, and then we will go ahead. We need to change this with the help of path. I need the path, and to 2nd September to November. I need the path, then I will download the file. Or else we'll not be able to understand यार कौन से link में क्या हो रहा है. मैं reference and सब कुछ track कर सकता हूँ, but I'm not tracking because it is literally a little bit sensitive data. This is one of our web app. We have got lots of web apps running, at least 5 to 6 web apps, and out of these web apps, okay, I'll not be able to share this particular data set with you because it is our actual data set that I am using. I'll rename this data set right now. It is like LU promo web app analytics. Okay, clear? Now I will just go ahead here and upload this particular file. I'll upload this particular file. Okay, it is saying okay, and that's it. So I have uploaded this particular file. Fine. I'll not be able to give you this, but you can download a random Google Analytics data on your side. Okay, clear? You can just Google it out and you will find lots of data available online. Then we will check. We will check if it is working, yes or no. The very first line that we need to write is import pandas as PD. Okay. Fine, this much clear. Now then we will data frame analytics df_web. Then we will do pd dot read what read oh एक गलती है. This will not be able to work. This data needs to be deleted because this data need to be cleaned at least prior we go ahead. Okay, so we will just go here and we'll say import, and we'll upload a file. That file is this file. Okay, it is uploading the file. Fine. We are saying insert a new sheet, import data. Now done. Okay, we need to remove this starting lines. Okay, then delete this entire A to Z. Fine, clear. These are the things. I'll remove this conversion and total revenue columns. Okay, I don't want those two columns to that we should work upon or something. So I have deleted those two columns, and this is our actual data that you guys are seeing. Okay, my programs slash is our home page, and so many URLs are there. Okay, see now, so many URLs are there. If you want, total 5,000 URL are there. 5,000 URLs are there in this. Now, what all things are there? You have got views. How many views are there for this particular URL? How many users are there for this particular URL? How many views per user is there in this particular URL? What is the average engagement time? How much time user is spending on this particular average? That means if you have to calculate the total number of time spent, that is average multiplied by views. That's it. It will give you. And event. How many events have taken place? How many times this click, some kind of click has happened on that particular page? How many clicks have happened on that particular page in last 90 days? Clear? Done? Sorted? Okay. I hope this thing is clear. Now I will just go ahead and so see, are you guys clear about it? Okay. Now you guys can, if you want to put a filter, you can literally go here. Okay, even before going ahead and doing filter, first let's understand we have got what all parameters. We have got these parameters. Okay. Now considering those parameters, okay, considering these parameters, paste special transposed. Okay, ये है parameters. We have got these parameters. Agree? Clear? इतने parameters है अपने पास. Sure, every one of you, please be okay. Please tell me in the chat. I mean, if you are with me, yes or no. Page path and screen class. Remove this screen class. It is page ka path directly. Number of views, number of users, unique users, and views per user. How many times this page has been loaded by a particular user's average number, average engagement time, event count. Okay, so what all kind of analytics we can take out? Let's just go ahead and write it down together. Okay, so question number one that we can have is literally question number one that we can ask: which are the top 10 viewed pages? Okay, which are the top 10 viewed pages? Then afterwards, obviously we can ask for the which are the top 10 pages with unique users. Okay, unique user base. Then number three, guys, this class is going to be very soon get private. I think right after this class is complete, we will make this class private because it has got certain crucial data of our one of the major applications. I hope you're understanding what I'm doing right now. I should not be exposing up this data that I am playing with in real time. Understood? So I hope you guys are able to understand what I'm trying to say. मैं बोल क्या रहा हूँ, आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं पता नहीं. Fine. Then again we can ask one more question: which are the top 10 pages with highest views per page? Okay, so again we can ask the same question: which are the top 10 pages with average time spent? Okay, then the fifth question that we have is: which are the pages with highest event count. Okay, which are the pages with highest event count? At least 5 question हो गए. If you are running a business, this data that you require, if you're running a business on a day-to-day basis, you need this data, yes or a no, so please tell me. If you need this data, then you are able to, and you are understanding, right? You can actually get this data right now if you want. Okay, if you want, you can get this data using pandas. Clear? Done? As a business owner, consider that you are the owner of LetsUpgrade EdTech, one of the fastest growing edtech companies in India with 1 million user base right now. And if you want to be a part, like if you are the owner of that, you want to know which are the 10 pages which are performing, okay, and which are the least performing 10 pages, which are the like pages with highest activity, highest time spent. Okay, so these all kind of questions you guys can actually ask, right? Yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat. Give me more questions that you would want to ask this particular pandas. Okay, so give me all the questions. Okay, these are the top 5. Now we can ask one more question. That is like, at least I have written one more thing. Grade the pages. Okay, grade the pages based on the views. If you want to grade a particular page based on views, you can do it with the help of pandas. Okay, you can do it with the help of pandas. Now then let's even go ahead. Okay, you are not understanding, so please tell me in the chat. आप बता दो मुझे कि आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं वापस से समझाता हूँ, बट यार रेस्पॉन्स तो आना चाहिए ना. ठीक है, नाउ देन वी विल गो अहेड एंड अंडरस्टैंड. चलो ग्रेड तो छोड़ दो. Then one more thing we will understand is like, what else we can get out of this data? Average engagement. Yeah. Okay. Give me the pages. Give me all the pages where average time spent. Okay. Time spent is more than 10 seconds. Okay, the same thing I would like to do with 5 seconds. Okay, and literally I would want to do it. See, there is a rule in business. The more the user spent time on a particular page, that page can generate more business for you. So let's understand which pages can generate how much of revenue for us. Considering if a person is staying there for 15 seconds and more, that page is very much valuable. We can extract business out of it. Agree? Clear? Okay, then the 10th question is like, I have got one question. Sort the data according to the least to highest events. Okay, sort the data according to least to highest events. Okay, maybe we will also do it with the sort the data according to least to highest time spent. Okay, one more question, more 3 questions we will put, and that's it, done. Okay, more 3 questions we will put, and that's it. Okay, I hope we will just go ahead and do what और क्या है, और क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं? कम अक्रॉस क्वेश्चंस यार, व्हाट एल्स वी कैन आस्क. ये ना मैं I'll ask this. Hey, give me what all analysis I can do with this data. User engagement, event count, traffic analysis, user views, okay, view per user, okay, and then count performance, path page analysis, user behavior segmentation, bounce rate. Okay, now हाँ यार bounce rate is also very good. इसने तो बहुत कुछ दे दिया. For this you need all these timely and weekly kind of a thing. Okay, fine. So now bounce rate, calculate how many pages are getting bounced back. Consider less than 3 seconds. A bounce rate is calculated in a website when a user is coming to your page and leaving in 3 seconds time. Maximum 3 seconds. The person is coming and in 3 seconds that person is leaving. That is what a page is known as, like a bounce rate. Okay, how many users are leaving within 3 seconds. We can't calculate the rate. Okay, calculate how many pages are getting bounced back. So basically we can calculate the number of pages which are like not having 3 seconds also as a performance. Okay, so that's it. I think these 12 things, let's get started with these 12 things. Okay, I hope this part is clear, every one of you. We can actually do a lot of like correlation and mapping and all, but let's just start. Okay, so I'm going back to our data and I am like exporting this data in a CSV format. It is giving me this thing. I'll rename it DS. Okay, इसको upload करना है अभी. We have to upload this particular file. Okay, I have uploaded this particular file. Copy the path, close it. CSV, and we just give this. That's it. df underscore web. We will have this entire data loaded in our particular pandas. Agree? Done? At least we have loaded the particular data frame. That data frame is this thing. Now let's just go ahead and understand certain queries. अभी देखो यार queries समझना है फटाफट से. Okay, so yesterday we have done this entire part. Certain okay, so what we will do right now is we will get this first here and we will refer to this notes what we have with us handy. मीन वीन तो ठीक है, चलो अपन ने के पहले से स्टार्ट करते हैं. कल जो बनाया था df dot head, the very first thing. Then I have got df web dot describe. Okay, so describe this entire data set. So क्या है इसके अंदर? So the total count is 5000 rows. Okay, out of this the mean means average views are 253 views per page. Users is like per user is getting 76 users per views per user, the average views per user is 5.267. We can get this in another way also. That is df web, give the column name. The column name can be views, and we will give the views and say that give me the mean. Okay, get the average views of a particular thing. Let's just do it together for all the columns. Okay, this is for views, this is for users. Okay, the same thing we will repeat. पहले तो क्या क्या है अंदर, क्या क्या कॉलम्स है यार? User views per user. Okay, so see, we have got how many average views per user we are having. That is also we are getting from here, and average engagement rate, this part also we are able to get with the help of pandas. Fine, fadawat ekdam, like it is generating everything in like real time, and it is giving us the data. Okay, and we can also see that what is the event count. Fine, so let me just get this entire piece done. Okay, so it will give you the event count also. Done. Okay, so average event count is per page that we have is attracting some 474 click. That means what? That means what? We can do a simple math. Average user is clicking how many times on a page? Average user is clicking how many times per a page? So we can do this basic math like event count, average event count divided by average users. Okay, so it will give us this thing. Per user is clicking on our website at least 6 times. At least 6 times. Clear? Agree? Sorted? इतना तक तो insight आ गया. एक level आगे गए. ये insight तो सही में कहीं planned भी नहीं था, but we got it. Okay, average user is clicking on 6.2 times. Now we can also get it in a different manner. Average user, average event count. Okay, all the data that we loaded, the average event count that we have per views. Per view, how many average event counts is happening? So each time a page is loaded by someone, 1.87 times it is being clicked. That means अगर एक बार पेज ओपन होता है तो 2 बार कहीं ना कहीं पेज पे टैप होता है. Sorted? Done? ये डेटा भी सही है? Clear? Agree? यार बताओ यार. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, तुम लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा. I am like literally not understanding. Now let me go and search it. How to get top 20 or like top 10 records in pandas. यार n largest करके एक है चीज़, मुझे पता तो है. Let us try it first and then we will go ahead. df underscore web. Okay, n largest. Okay, n largest. Find n largest. In the n largest, we want based on what? N largest based on views. What are the top 10? अच्छा, आई थिंक ये आगे पीछे हो गया. 10 और इसको इधर लो. हाँ, सी, so these are the top 10 pages as per the n largest. Now if you want to store certain, okay, तो अपने को क्या चाहिए था? अपने questions क्या है? Again let's go back and see the questions. Which are the top 10 viewed pages? Which are the top 10 viewed pages? These are the top 10 viewed pages. Clear? Done? Sorted? Okay, these are the pages. My programs, hash is the slash is like directly loading our website. Then uske baad we have got my programs slash essentials Python September. Okay, that was loaded 84,000 times. 84,000 times it was loaded. And then login page has loaded 82,000 times. HTML programs, how many programs are available, JS, Java. Okay, I don't know what is this program, but yes. So these are the top 10 pages. Now what is the next question? This is done, right? ये हो गया ना? Okay, इसके सामने done लिखो. Done. Now which are the top 10 pages with unique user base? That means okay, which are the top 10 pages as per the user base? Again I'll write the code df_web dot n largest. Okay, n largest, मुझे 10 ही चाहिए, 10, but based on users. Fine, got it? So based on users, these are the my top 10 pages which are based on unique users. 33,000 users have at least visited our home page in last 90 days. See, this data is not of 90 days because I'll tell you the reason is, if you all know that Google Analytics was changed recently from Google Analytics 3 to it has it was Universal Analytics to it is now GA4. Okay, we guys didn't shift to GA4 till I think September end or October. So from October start, this data has been not even October start, I think before going to Diwali vacation, some 15 days prior, this GA4 has been changed on our this web app that I am showing you. Or else previously it was getting recorded universally in Microsoft Clarity. Microsoft Clarity के अंदर सारा data जा रहा था, but we were like कि no. We will show all this thing in Google Analytics GA4, and that we have started tracking in this particular part. And that's where we have this 33,593 sessions in last technically 45 days, you can say. Technically 45 days. That's the time frame that we are seeing. Okay, clear? Fine. Now we will go ahead based on views per user, which are the highest views per user, which are the pages with highest views per user. Okay, in this you can directly do the path also, na? It will only show you the path. Okay, so देखो ये बोल रहा है कि these are the highest साहिल शेख. ओके, एंड इसमें एक और चीज़ भी दिखा सकते हैं अपन, दैट इज़ व्यूज़ पर यूज़र. प्रैक्टिस इट इज़ गाइस, प्रैक्टिस इट इज़. दैट्स वेयर why did it give an error? n largest 10. एक मिनट रुको, let me just check it out. Fine, ठीक है. Views per user, these are the things. 73 views per user. Sahil Sheikh has gone to his website at like someone has gone to his only one user. Acha, it is only one user. Now we can also do certain permutation combinations where users are more than 2000 and views per this thing is more. Okay, so that kind of things we can also do. Now how to do that entire part, I'll show you. Okay, in this we just have to write down users. Okay, users greater than how much? Users greater than, let's say, 100. Okay, this entire part is done. df web clear. Now you see. Okay, so see where the users are above 100. Okay, and users views per user is literally on the higher side. That is then Java DSA some program it is, then Java DSA one more program it is, HTML, JS. So these are the URLs. Okay, how many times views per this thing are being clear. Done. Okay, I have just gave you one, like, now if I want to increase the users, I want at least 1000 users visiting our page with highest views, this thing. Now automatically you will see this views is changing, then it is again some different page. Okay, see, got it? Makes sense, right? मस्त खेल सकते हो ना डेटा के साथ. ये डेटा के साथ तुम क्या कर सकते हो यार. आई मीन एज अ बिजनेस ओनर आई कैन लिटरली इमेजिन व्हाट आई नीड टू टेल माई पीपल टू इंक्रीज द सेल्स. Now you can do one more thing here. So fine, take it. I have made certain random things for you, but yes, this is also done. This is also done. Okay, which are the top 10 pages with average time spent? Okay, now next question. So simple, df underscore web. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Interesting लग रहा है? Okay, are you liking it? Yes, no, what it is? Okay, so I want to see कि are you liking it? Yes or no? Is my chat dead or like is there a huge latency? आज लगता है ना latency बहुत ज़्यादा है. That is the reason I am saying something. I raised my hand. Please put in the chat as soon as you see my hand raise. It is 7:09. Okay, it is 7:09. Okay, it is not 7:09, it is 7:10. Tell me when it is. Okay, now df n largest. Okay, n largest 10 items with not user spent. I need 10 items on average engagement time. Okay, you're literally doing real-time data analysis with me. Okay, if you guys are okay, so you're having at least 40 seconds latency. So top 10 with highest average engagement time. Now yaar, but why this particular see the views are only 7, the user is 1. Okay, views per user is very good. 7 into 1 is 7. Okay, but time, how much time this page has been spent? ये क्यों open किया होगा इस बंदे ने यार? Why this particular person might have opened? Which page is this? Let's see this page. Which page is this? Okay, Mohammed M. Mohammed. This guy is our developer. Okay, good. So मतलब डेटा एनालिसिस काम कर रहा है. ये बंदा इतनी बार अपना पेज क्यों ओपन करके रख रहा होगा यार? सोचो एक बार, जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट. वाई दिस पर्सन माइट हैव ओपनड हिज पेज फॉर एटलीस्ट कितना? 1202 ना, 1202 डिवाइडेड बाय 60. ओके, दिस इज मिनट्स. फाइन, minutes. Okay, now if I have to communicate it in minutes divided by 60. Okay, total number of minutes divided by 60, it is then hours. How many hours this guy has spent on this particular page? Okay, 0.3 hours, that's it. This is in seconds, that means कितने minutes हो गया इसका spending? 20 minutes. हाँ, 20 minutes, फाइन, ठीक है. सो 20 मिनट उसने वहाँ स्पेंड किया विथ 7 times he saw, and he spent around 7 minutes here. Okay, now again we will put the condition there ki okay, fine, amazing that you have this data, but I want to see where the users count is there. The users count is more than 1000. What is the average? Which pages are the highest engaging pages? So let's just go ahead and watch it out. Okay, so question क्या है? Question है which pages are highly engaging, okay, where the unique users will be more than 1000. Fine, ठीक है, more than 1000. Let's just work on it. df_web. okay, सिंपल सा चीज़ जो n लार्जेस्ट वाला था, कौन सी 10 है. अभी इसके पहले लाइक जस्ट वी हैव डन ना, थोड़ी देर पहले अपन ने किया ये चीज़. ओके, ऐसा ही सेम समथिंग वी हैव टू डू राइट नाउ. आई डोंट वांट टू कॉपी इट बट फाइन, ठीक है, विल जस्ट डू इट टुगेदर. ओके, सो in this part we just have to write down users greater than 1000. okay, this entire thing will go here and we will have again df web. okay, sorted. So this will give us the क्या प्रॉब्लम है भाई, चलो users s. okay, so users highest, now we are seeing something, top 10 pages which are high on engagement, okay, where users count is more than 1000 users. okay, so the number one page is like javascript ka essentials ka page. then there is a my programs का page. so my programs के page पे बहुत ज़्यादा interactivity है. so is it true that every one of you are going and staying on my programs page for at least 104 divided by 60? that means like around 2 minutes. 2 minutes spend करते हो क्या? okay, so around 2 minutes do you guys spend on average like time there. then we have got program. अच्छा, leaderboard at least 1 minute people are spending their time. okay, okay, so that's one thing. my certificates again around 1 minute people are spending time there. good, yeah, this is a real time thing. if I have to increase my sales, I can do something here, I can do something here, I can do something here. now I will make the scope 20. then let's see what happens. okay, it is giving me the top 20 pages. so okay, a page is like 100% home page पे engagement is around 60 minutes, so 60 seconds. then I have got a student ambassador page, again here 60 seconds per person. so coins, programs, my certificate. so these are the pages. if we put our certain pop-ups like hey, this is something new happening, just go join, I think this will get more and more traction to the users. I think so. engagement time clear, sorted, done. okay, now how much is done? what are the top 10? this is done. which are the pages with highest event count? okay, highest event count, fine. which are the pages with highest event count? one question I got from Rupesh, off topic question: while hiring for a software engineer or a data analyst or a data scientist, do you actually commerce graduate stand up place? 1000%, yeah, why not? as I mentioned again and again, I'm saying data science or data analysis or this business analytics, it is not about your programming skill. It is about your brain. What kind of analytics you can think of and you can throw. Right now together we all are like sitting together and we are saying here we are digging so much of data and we are showing certain analytics. end of the day we are saying ki, hey, the business owner of LetsUpgrade. See, this is the data, actual data of your real data. Okay, so this kind of questions you need to ask. Okay, you need to ask. If these questions are ready, the data and the tool is so very easy to use and give you the insights. Okay, see, any other tutorial that you would have seen from LetsUpgrade site till date in teaching pandas and all, those all tutorials were like super boring. Even my yesterday's session was super boring because of a reason. The reason is like I was not showing you application side of it. Now you are seeing the application side of it. Okay, and see, this application side of it is nothing to do with development or developer. It is all about to do with the kind of questions that you can ask. If you're good at logics, if you're good at like asking questions by nature, then you're already a kind of a person who is good right fit for data science or a data analysis person. Are we clear? So each and every one of you stand a chance to go ahead and mark a good career in data analysis. All you need is asking right questions so that business can flourish end of the day. Agree? Clear? Every one of you, please mention something in the chat, because it's been a while that like the entire chat is like dying. I still feel that like my session is like super boring. Today I'll not be doing any Kahoot. Okay, because the latency of this particular class is such high that you will not be able to see anything at the end of the day, but still we'll try something end of the day. If it is good, it is good. If it is not good, don't blame me. The latency is very high. It is around 25 to 30 seconds. Which are the pages with highest event count? Okay, df web dot n largest. Okay, n largest 10 pages with event count. What is the name of it? Event count. I hope yesterday class and today today's class there is a huge difference. Okay, so please tell me in the chat if it is true. Yeah, let's just see event count. So the event count is like these are the top 10 pages where highest event activity is there. So my Python program is super hit, HTML is super hit. Okay, my programs is a super hit page. Login page is something where there is a highest amount of traction. Again, JS programs. Oh wow, so these are my hit pages, top 10 pages from last 45 days. Okay, which are receiving highest amount of traffic. Okay, so okay, now let's just go ahead and see the other question that we have. Grade the pages based on views. Okay, this question. Okay, this is done. Now we will see this. Give me all the pages where average time spent is more than 10 seconds. Give me all the pages. Fine. df underscore web pages with average score more than, yeah, this is a very big name. df underscore pages avg time 10. Okay, df page, this is the simplest variable name I am writing down. Okay, so now here I will write down the query to find out the pages, which are having time spent more than 10 seconds. Okay, so maybe we'll first comment it, then we'll come there. First we will do it for ourselves. df web. Okay, inside this again df web. Okay, time spent, average time spent. Fine, average time spent greater than 10. Okay, first we get this all data. Average time spent greater than 10 seconds is this. Okay, greater than 10 second is 764. Let's store this data into this particular variable that we just created, so that we can have this variable. Okay, fine. So these are the and let's just describe this. Okay, DSCRIBE. Okay, let's just describe what is the data that we are having. View is somewhere around 4000. Okay, how much data is there? 4647 rows are there. Okay, and what is the average of this? Okay, what is the users? Okay, views, this is okay. 93 is the engagement. Oh wow, more than 10% this thing. Now the same way we will do one more thing, that is less than 3, less than 4 we will do, or like less than equal to 3. Fine. Describe. Yeah, I'm not doing any more for teaching you. I'm doing it for this is like df average page count is 95 rows are there, 95 things are there, 95 links are there, where there is a bounce rate, heavy bounce rate. Okay, so let's just go ahead and watch this data. 95 rows. Okay, and maybe we will see the tail 10 pages, that means bottom 10. Okay, thank you page is having a engagement time of 3 seconds. Thank you. ये कौन सा पेज है यार? letsupgrade.in/thank you. ये तो है ही नहीं. Then why this URL is there? Maybe it has listed somewhere. Okay, so these are the places where we are seeing the least. Now average time less than 3 seconds, we have to analyze the head. What are the top 10 pages where the average time is less than 3 seconds? Yes, the Flutter, checkout, post transact. Acha, after buying this thing, so in last so many days, after buying a particular course, okay, so we have a checkout link. So these many, this is also not having a highest this thing. Then we have essentials, Node.js, programming. The time that a person is spending is this, but you can see here the user count is less. We have to worry where the user count is more than 1000. Okay, we have to worry where the user count is literally more than 1000. So how to make it happen? So let's just go ahead and code that also here. Okay, ये मैं तुक्का लगा रहा हूँ. I don't know if this will work. Is this thing is greater than 1000? मैं सही में तुक्का लगा रहा हूँ. Unalignable boolean is provided index. Okay, मैं लूप के अंदर लूप कुछ तो गलती किया. Fine, no worries. Okay, so there is a way, yaar. I mean, if you basically do this thing, na, instead of describing, if I do it like a simple thing where I ask users, okay, users greater than 100 or 1000, and then again you take this thing, paste it here, do this, it should give you the data. अरे यार users, अच्छा कोई है ही नहीं, fine, so which is we don't have anyone. Less than 100 ही है, okay, less than 100 ही है. So we don't have to worry about this particular data set. That bounce off rate that we were talking about, okay, so we don't have to worry about it. Bounce off rate क्या है? जो 3% मतलब 3 सेकेंड आया बंदा, 3 सेकेंड वेट किया और चला गया, 3 सेकेंड से कम वेट किया, एवरेज टाइम स्पेंट इज लेस देन 3 seconds. That's the bounce rate. So in our pages we are seeing there is no particular bounce rate issues with a high user volume. जहाँ पे user volume है वहाँ पे bounce rate हमको ज़्यादा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. So that's a good sign for the entire business. Good job the team that's working somewhere in the office. So fine. Now what else is there? ये हो गया. इसके बाद और भी कुछ है ना? चलो इसके बाद ना what is the next thing? Give me all the pages where the average time spent is more than 5 seconds. अरे यार more than 5 seconds तो बहुत easy है यार. You guys can do this if you provide it with to you. Okay, this is I'll consider. Okay, fine. I'll take certain questions. Sorry, engagement should also be there. Yes. Then okay. What do you say about the opportunity for data analytics or data science in the current time? There's a huge opening, by the way. I'm very honest with you, because the time is not about for the people who are good at data science or something. The time is very great about the people who can come for the applied AI part. Applied AI even considers this, okay? Python basic सीखो, applied AI करो, आगे बढ़ो जिंदगी में. You will be literally killing it. And very soon LetsUpgrade is launching a program which teaches applied AI, okay? It is of some 30 to 40,000 rupee program, to be honest, of 6 months. But in those 6 months, you will learn so much that you will be 10 steps ahead of your classmates, okay? It is 40,000 rupees. I will be one of the instructors teaching you how to be a pro at ChatGPT, how to be a pro at Midjourney, stable diffusion, stable video diffusion, then afterwards hyperwrite.ai, then afterwards how to produce your own AI avatar content, how to do your proper audio voice thing. These all things I'll be teaching along with few other instructors in that particular cohort. This applied AI cohort is coming very soon, where the basics will be Python. Once you know the Python and API calling part and all, you will be able to develop the entire scripts for that. So how many of you are interested for this applied AI program, which is for a very niche audience? I am not going to have more than 30 students. Once the teaching part is done, then we will be only providing kind of recordings, okay? So this applied AI program is something that we are going to embed in each and every program of ours going forward, and this is the starting stone of this particular program, okay? Please tell me in the chat how many of you are interested for this applied AI program. 40,000 minimum is the fees. I'm sorry if it is sounding a lot for you, but this particular program is something to get a superpower to a very niche audience. Job placement and all I'm talking about superpowers. Job is not the goal here. The goal here is to build certain applications which can be sold to certain people, okay? That is the end goal. And obviously job is a byproduct of this. If you know the skill set 100%, you will be most sought after people in the industry. Okay, so fine, I hope that I have answered one question. Hey, noticed a glitch on your website. First time visitors see a blurry message with no content happening on all devices since I joined. Time for an upgrade perhaps? Yes, we are looking forward to revamp our website, and very soon you will find a new website also up and running. Our team has already started to map out all the ways how this website should look, feel and work, and that's going to be a very good experience end of the day. And now we have also got one more question. What is this question? What's the difference between data analytics, science and engineer? Okay, three things. Data analytics is all about what you guys are doing right now. You have a data, you have to read it and you have to understand it. Data engineering is basically like you have got the entire flow of the applications and all. Like LetsUpgrade's application is there. Data is going from this angle to that angle. But what all data is flowing? If this data is flowing, yes or no. If that data is not flowing, get that data flowing. Once that data is flowing, capture it in your certain data lakes. Once that data is captured in those data lakes, then based on that data lakes, then you run your certain analytics. That is the end-to-end job of a data engineer. Also read that data, understand what kind of other data sets can also be gathered in it. That is the end-to-end job of a data engineer. Also cleaning, maintaining that data, making sure it is good for the analysis purposes, machine learning purposes, predictors. That is what the job of a data engineer is. There is an overlap between data analysis and data engineer, but the higher side, it is data science. Now, what is it about data science? Data science is all about like, you have the base data, everything good. Once the base data is there with you, you put certain algorithms on it and showcase what kind of predictions are there. Based on this current data that I am having, implement certain machine learning algorithms and say me that, yeah, which are those top pages where I will have a lot of traffic in the upcoming future, in the 90 days. Okay, so can you predict that using this current data, and that too accurately? So that is what the entire game of a data science person. So these are the three things that will be there. And one question Shiva is asking, for how many days this particular program is going to be? This is a 6 months program. Okay, I still have debates, 3 to 6 months, how much it should be. Should it be 3 months or should it be 6 months? We are still debating on that, but considering to make it around 3, 4 or a 6 month kind of a pattern for this 40,000 rupee program, weekly only 2-3 classes, you join online and learn it and then progress ahead. That's what is all about this particular program. Okay, now coming back to this, give me all the pages where the average time spent is more than 15 seconds. Good question. I've already made it here. Maybe I'll just take that entire equation. I'll change the variable name, and here I'll change the variable name or value name. Okay, these are all the programs. How much it is? 4380. Where your average, our average time spent is literally on a higher side. I was thinking till date ki we don't have this many pages where our average time spent is huge. Oh, this is actually huge. Then based on this, users greater than 1000, which all pages are those? ये कौन से पेजेस है यार? Okay, more than 1000 users. Checkout. Okay, checkout is having where you pay money. So in last 45 days, 1632 people went till our checkout page, a user is buying 2 courses of LetsUpgrade at least. Okay. Recently we have cut down to only 1 course, that is Java DSA. Java DSA is also a very good course from LetsUpgrade. You guys can actually buy it. It's kind of a program where you learn how to crack tech interviews if you are looking forward to become a software developer. Because core is core, how much ever the technology may come up, AI may come up, core is core. Okay, core change nahi hoga. So that's where we are selling our checkout. See, you yourself are seeing this data is this of last 45 days, and then forgot password is there, register, leaderboard, these many people, these many users. Okay, got it. So these are the 46 pages where our user is spending more than 15 seconds. Okay, now if I want to sort this thing in a sorting order, there was a code here yesterday, we were seeing it but I didn't see it properly. Accessing, loading, inspecting, tail, describe, map, replace, sort. यार sorting कहाँ गया? To be very honest here, I have not worked with sorting. That's the reason I'm actually finding where is sorting. Okay. Okay, we'll just Google it. How to sort data in pandas. This is the thing. ये तो ठीक है. Sort values. Okay. Sort values by. Fine. ठीक है. So are you guys there? Please tell me in the chat right now. Are you guys there or like went off? Sort values something by na, by equal to this is based on average time. Okay, that's it. It should give us in a sorted manner कि यार सबसे ज़्यादा जो तुम्हारा टाइम स्पेंट है ओके ये कम से कम में दे रहा है, मतलब ओके मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम इट इज़ गोइंग. Maximum time spent and the minimum time spent is on these pages. Okay, it's a very powerful tool here. It is doing it in such a thuk manner. Excel will go broke in this much. if I just put all these queries in a Google sheet, right, it will be like ये क्या मांग लिया तुमने मेरे से ऐसा करके. It will be like at least taking 1 minute to load this and it is like dhag one run and it is giving you this data. That is the power of like this entire stuff. Then what else we are asking? I think almost we have completed. Okay, this is also done. This is done. This is already done. This is already done. Okay. Average time. I'll consider this thing as done. So these are all the things, guys. You guys have literally been working today on certain questions. So based on the data that you get, you can ask certain questions, and the questions that you ask, you can literally get the answers of it using pandas. Understood today? आज बहुत ज़्यादा तुमने सीखा है without even realizing that you have learned so much. Okay, so you can literally take it as a positive feedback from my side. That hey boss, you're actually doing good. And one last thing I will tell you, that is map feature in pandas. that you want to use, probably maybe sometime, that is based on users. Okay, we will create 3-4 categories. I'll write the question. Based on the unique user count, please categorize these web pages in multiple buckets. Okay, buckets are premium buckets. Okay, premium bucket should have user count more than 10,000. okay, और like इसको ना platinum बोल देते हैं, platinum. Then more than 5,000 gold, more than 1,000 silver, more than 100 bronze. Okay, fine, ठीक है. These are the tiers. Based on these tiers, you need to categorize data. Okay, so that if you put a filter, you directly get that data automatically. So how to do that? For doing that, we will write a small function, def categorize की spelling बताओ यार. Categorize, fine, मैं कुछ तो लिख दिया. Okay, categorize, and I want to send views. Okay, and if views are greater than equal to 10,000, okay, return platinum. If views is greater than equal to 5,000, okay, return gold. If views is greater than equal to 1,000, return, what is that you have to return here? Okay, क्या है categories का spelling? categorized. Categories. Fine. I don't know if this is right again. For me, my most of the time my keyboard sorts it out. I don't type anything like this, so it's fine. Return. Okay. If again views is greater than equal to 100. What is this view we have to write? BRONZE, bronze. Else return. Okay. Okay, done. ये हो गया. Now the entire map wala feature that you have, right? This in notes there is a mapping thing that we were discussing about. Okay, कहाँ गया वो map. Okay, this, right? So now df web equal, इसके अंदर ना तुम्हें एक नया कॉलम ऐड करना है, cat. Okay, fine, or like segment. Okay, segment, something like that. Now df underscore web. Okay, in this you need to write down the particular views dot map. In this map you need to send this categories. Okay, that's it. You run this, it should not give an error. Oh, views capital. Okay, done. df underscore web. Okay, sorted. So see, it is automatically taking it up like कि हाँ यार platinum है, okay है. Now if you want to filter, Now we want to filter only the data that is more than or equal to 10,000 or platinum. All you have to do is like df web. See, इसने create कर दिया segment करके और इसने map भी कर दिया automatically data. Okay, it has automatically created this segment and it has added this values also. Now df, in this df, all you have to do is segment equal to क्या है वो, platinum. ओके, इसको भी लगा के df वापस से web. See, it is only giving us the platinum data. Only 24 are there, 24 pages are there which are very important to you. Out of this, only you want the path, page path. I will just give you the page path. Okay, so yellow by. All I have to do is like, hey, your top 24 pages are these. (24) or 25. Let me just send it into my talk. Okay, I've sent it to my team. Let that team analyze it further. Okay, so that's it, done. So this is the entire part, guys. I hope you guys have actually enjoyed this entire pandas and data analysis part. Tomorrow we will understand the basics of like how to do mapping in graph and all. Okay, so tomorrow we will be doing this particular thing. Today I am very afraid that we will not be able to do Kahoot, because my latency, that when I'm talking and it is receiving you, there is at least 30 to 40 seconds latency. इतना latency के साथ quiz में तुमने क्या कुछ सीख नहीं पाओगे. Okay. Okay, Ravi, don't assume my earnings and all यार. मेरा earnings देख के तेरे को क्या करना है? So don't worry. So thanks a lot. We have got lots of students studying with us. That's the good thing, touch wood. And I just hope that every one of you are liking our programs now with in-depth content. I hope literally you guys are liking it. And tomorrow we will be doing Matplotlib and then we'll finish. Okay. So that's it, guys. Let's wait till tomorrow and just work it out. Fine. Thank you. Thank you for being an amazing audience. And we'll meet tomorrow, same time, 6:30. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Take care. Bye-bye. कहाँ गया यार end का button. Meet you guys tomorrow. I hope every one of you will come tomorrow again and you guys will be a part of this entire thing. Okay, chalo. Bye. Take care. Love you a lot.